I've picked up a £5 charity shop mystery jewellery bag. Let's see what's inside. I can see some rings, which is exciting. Don't often get rings in these charity shop bags. This one really reminds me of Moana. It looks like one of Maui's tattoos. And it looks like it could be silver. I think there's a mark there. Subject to testing, I think we've got silver straight out of the bag. Some retro party beads, sparkly Marks and Spencer's necklace, that one will probably be repurposed. Ooh, some of my favourite abalone shell. The little cheapy costume necklace in here. Cute enamel heart earring, that looks like steel. Of course there was going to be a butterfly, that's a little children's ring. And over here I can see Christmas earrings. Those are fun. Another ring here, this is a costume one. I think that's an Olympics pin. An earring with a ring hanging from it. This is quite pretty, sadly missing one there, so maybe that could be repurposed. Some beads. A dainty stacking bracelet, that's quite cute. Some costume rings. This one's very similar to a Pandora ring. I like that one. There's a hair slide here, that's pretty. Ooh, and a gorgeous, what looks like a Mexican shell inlaid earring. Well, I hope we find the other one of those. Excuse the marks on my fingers, by the way. I have burnt myself with the silver testing acid for the first time this morning. Another butterfly. These are pretty sparkly costume studs. Some huge costume hoops. And a nice bit of mother of pearl shell on that earring. I wonder if we're going to find pairs for any of these. That looks like it's broken off something, but I'll keep that for the sparklies. These are quite nice earrings. They're in the style of Brighton, so I will look those up just in case they are. Another butterfly. This is a sparkly ring. Can see some marks on there, so let me check this one out. It's a 925 on the inside, so of course I will test it, but again another potential silver. Basic costume sparkly, and then a selection of costume rings. These clip-ons are actually plastic. I think they're probably kiddies ones from a princess set or something like that. There's what looks like a breast cancer research pendant there. I can see a 925 there. Let's get this tangle untangled. So this was the sterling silver one, this pretty J with enamel and some sparklies. And then we've got a stainless steel one, which is on a nice rose gold tone chain, and it has Roman numerals around the centre. And then that was the breast cancer one. You can see the other one of these, those are really cute. And there's a silver tone enamel one there. Oh, I was going to say that's the other one, but this one looks like silver with mother of pearl. Yes, it is. That's a nice little bit of treasure. I hope we find the other one of those. If not, it'll be a charm or a pendant. Lots more single earrings. I'll pop them all to one side in case we find their partners. You can see we've got a pair of these. These have the shields that go round the back. There's some sparkly costume pieces. Lots of single costume studs. This one, however, looks like sterling and hematite, and we do have a 95 mark on the back there. This is a cute stacking bracelet, Life Charms, that says there, plated piece. There's a pretty silver toned bangle. Wow, look at that. This is glass. That is so cool, an artisan piece. Love that. Some vintage clip-ons. Super sparkly necklace. I'll probably break that one up for the beads too. This is beautiful, this gold tone sparkly, but it's lost its plating sadly. That's just a plain ring. This one looks like an opal. That one does have a 925 mark on it. It says IBB and then the maker's mark. Let me know if you know who that is. This is amazing. Look at the sparkle in that. Marks and Spencer's. I can feel the quality. There's some European charm beads. This one looks like a plated piece. This, I think, is a Pandora design, but I'm not seeing the marks on it. It is threaded though, so I'll look at that one a bit closer. There is another ring here with a 925. So we've got another silver ring. And another one. Amazing. That one is a costume ring. And there's the other silver hematite earring. I've managed to free a couple more beaded necklaces. Well, this certainly looks like gold. Let's see if there's any marks. There is a lovely set of European hallmarks for 9-carat gold and a 9K around the other side. We have gold. That has never, I don't think that's ever happened before. 9-carat gold in a mystery bag unbagging. Wow. What a beautiful ring. Let's test the stone. Sadly, not a diamond, but what a beautiful setting. And look at that. Stunning. Need to go back and have some words with these ladies in the charity shop, I think. This looks like a silver too. That looks like a really tarnished silver ring. Yeah, this one's got a 925 on here. I'm seeing lots of pairs for earrings that we found earlier. And these ones go with that sparkly necklace we found. This looks like a nice earring. We've got a 925 on the back here. That's really pretty. Lots more costume earrings. This looks like it matches that ring that we found. There's a 925 on the back but not on the post, so I'll need to check that one. There's the other one. Children's sparkly ring and some stud hoops. Those are costume. Some retro looking ones. These are nice quality here, and these ones have tiger's eye in, but sadly it's gone green on the back. A big drop stud. And I think we found the other one of those earlier. There are 3 necklaces, all really badly caught up here, but they're all cheap costume. This is a vintage one, but it's very lightweight. And we've got some statement earrings and a big jump ring. Lots of studs in the bottom here. That looks like a piercing one. This one looks a bit more promising. It's got a nice setting. So that back obviously isn't silver, but this looks like it could be. There's a 95 on the post. I'm just going to check the stone. I think it's just a glass sparkly in there, but a cute little stud. That one is one you get your ears pierced with, but I can see it's got a 925 back on it. And then these are all just cheapy costume ones. This dainty stacking bracelet's from Accessorize, and it's got some sweet enamel flowers on it. And another couple of dangly earrings. Oh my goodness. I can't believe it, guys. How much silver and gold in one bag. This is amazing. I'm just editing in to add that on closer inspection after tidying up, these beautiful studs are opals and they have a 9-carat marking on the post. So more gold. What an amazing bag. So we had all of these sterling rings, obviously subject to testing, and then the amazing 9-carat gold ring, plus a few silver earrings as well. Which was your favourite piece today? Do tell me in the comments. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my future videos. Hit the like and the hype when you see it. Do check out the channel membership as well. Watch another video and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching.